Hello friends, I am Dr. Sachin Jain from Jaipur, Sports and Ligament Injury Specialist. Today we are going to talk about the PCL ligament injuries. So PCL is a ligament which is attached from your back of the knee, tibia bone, and it starts and goes inside and it is attached in the femur bone. So the action of the PCL is to not to sag this tibia behind. So if the PCL is torn, what happens is that this tibia bone sags behind. So normally what happens is that this PCL causes this tibia bone to go front. So whenever you walk, whenever you jump, this weight goes from this and starts and it goes from the center of the knee. Okay, so the whole pressure falls in the center of the knee because of this PCL ligament, But if this PCL is torn, this tibia will sag behind. So whatever the pressures were going through the center of the joint will go from the front of the joint. So as soon as it goes from the front of the joint, this kneecap or this patella bone, the cartilage of the patella bone, it will start to damage, it will start swelling, and it will start to deteriorate, and over a period of time it will cause arthritis. So that will cause a kneecap arthritis or a patellar arthritis very soon. So PCL injuries, how does it happen is that whenever you run and you fall like a dashboard, or your leg smashes in the ground, tibia bone smashes in the ground, this causes the tibia to sag behind and the PCL gets torn. Similarly, in a dashboard, if you have a car accident, your leg gets stuck there, and this also causes the tibia bone to sag and it causes tear. Like in playing any games, then also it can happen. So it is a very big ligament and a very strong ligament. When it tears, it will cause a lot of swelling, a lot of pain, and a lot of injuries. It is also associated with ligament injuries of the other injuries like PCL, PLC, MCL. Other ligaments also can be damaged with it. Isolated PCL injuries or a single PCL injuries, which happens if your MRI says that there is a grade 1 or a grade 2 injuries, means the PCL is partially torn. The tibia will sag, but it will not sag that much. It will sag a little bit, but then also there will be some pressure which will going on. So at that time, what I say is that over your calf area, you put some roll of towel or cotton and try to get this tibia back to the position where it was. So keep a knee brace, put it in this position. All these things your doctor or the sports injury specialist will tell you to do. Keep it protected. Don't walk, don't run, don't jump, because if you walk, if you put pressure, this PCL may again get damaged and your tibia can again get sagged. Over a period of 3 weeks, we check you clinically with posterior sag test, posterior draw test to see your instability. If there is some instability which is present or your sag is too much, then we'll try to do it with 3 more weeks of protection. If still there is no problem, then we have to repeat your MRI to see if the grade 2 tear is not completed to grade 3 tear. Even in the grade 3 tears, there is a good chance of it to heal up, around 30 to 50% chance, but with all the precautions guided. But if 3 weeks also after that you have a lot of instability, then these PCL will require surgery and it will require replacement of the ligament and addition of a new ligament over that position of the PCL. So those ligaments are constructed with arthroscopic surgery. 2 small incision will be done. We have to go inside, we see your PCL ligament, and we drill a hole from here to behind of the knee and get your graft from here and put it back in the position where it was and fix it with screws. So once you do that, you keep the knee protected for 1.5 weeks, for 3 weeks approximately, with knee brace, with sagging, jacked up knee brace, so that the tibia bone will go up and you will not put weight or not bend your knee for 3 weeks. After 3 weeks, you will start bending your knee. You will start mobilization, and 6 weeks later you will start walking with a little bit of weight. Increase it up to 2 to 2.5 months. You will walk normally and go to your office. Approximately 6 to 9 months it will take for your whole ligament to heal up and get incorporated in your body, and also your muscles which have been wasted to get proper shape and proper size. Once you get that, then you can go back to your normal running, jogging and sporting activity, whatever you're doing. So I hope you get a gist of the PCL ligament injuries, how to go about these injuries and how to treat them individually with grades of the injuries if you have. If you have any questions, you can put me a question on the comment section. I will try to reply all them. You can send your reports on the number which I have provided. Please send me a voice message of what problem you have, so that it is very difficult for me to attend all the calls individually, because every day I get around 50 calls, so it's very difficult to attend every one of them. So please send me a voice message of what problem you have and your report, so I'll try to reply as much as I can. Thank you so much.